What is up, YouTube? This is Niner Faithful 52 here, back with another video. So you can see by the title, we got another sneaker unboxing review. This time, it's the Jordan Lifestyle Jordan, kind of like a casual wear. It's called the Jordan Air Cadence. Got these from Goat. Some paper here. So it came from China, which I believe they do have like authentic sneakers or something. They have like another like a retail store over there or something like that. But here we go. Jordan Air Cadence, size 10. Colorway is black, sail, light smoke gray. You can see, look, there's Chinese writing there. So got this little sticker here. So I got these from Goat, and I think this is when you know that you got it from right there. This sticker right here is not from the original boxes. So, but it's it's from Goat, so I expect it to be authentic. Here we go. Comes with the little Goat sticker. Comes with the Goat verification. Everything checks out. And here are the shoes. Okay. Wow. So this is they call it the Jordan Air Cadence Smoke Gray, the colorway. Not bad. So I needed some shoes, some Jordan shoes, for work. Gonna be walking around a lot. So let's give a little detail here. So this is the smoke gray colorway. They have like another colorful colorway where it's like red, yellow, blue, white. It's everywhere. Then they have another one which I was tempted to get, the white, gray, and a little bit of red on the back tab here, the 23 in the back. But I just went for this one. It's more wearable. You can wear it with anything. But these are the Air Cadences on hand. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't feel as light. Probably because of this air unit and stuff like that. But nonetheless, it's a lifestyle shoe. It's a casual shoe. Maybe a running shoe. I mean, look at the traction it has here. This is the outsole here, black and white. I think there's a little Jumpman right here. There it is. It's in black on the Y. It should have been white at least so it could pop out. But it's in the bottom, so who really cares? I'm over here nitpicking already. But we have a white midsole here. The air unit, here it is. Got this black mesh material here on the toe box and on the side here, along with this like, yeah, that's leather. Gray here comes around the toe here, a little black toe. Same thing over here, more mesh material here. You got the leather here, and then we got the white midsole. We have the back, it's gray. This feels more like kind of like a nubuck. Yeah, nubuck or durabuck hat. It feels really smooth though. Then you have the black 23 here. It says air on the back here. On the little tag here, it says Jordan, but it says GRDN. They could have at least they couldn't fit O or A, I guess, I'm assuming, but is what it is there. Got some padding here. A little bit of gray here on the eyelets here on the lacing system. It's all black laces. And then you got your tongue here, which is like a nylon tongue. Yeah, that's what it feels like. You got 3 Jumpmans here in white. Let's take a look at the inside. Let me see. This shoe did not come with inserts, by the way. But whatever. It comes with a red insole here. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see. Let's try to get you guys. Okay. So it says Nike right there with the swoosh. Then it says Air, and then the Jumpman in black, but with the red floor footbed or whatever you want to call it. Here's the production tagging, the size. So overall, I mean, it feels like it's gonna be a comfortable shoe, which I wanted. So that's the first shoe, the left side of the shoe. Here's the right side. Really nothing different. This one actually comes with some padding, so let's take that out. And same thing. I thought it was gonna be different, but little sticker there for some reason. It says 280, 2.5, huh? I don't know what that is, but there it is. But yeah, I mean, this is kind of like just a simple, quick unboxing review. But just overall, I guess I would say, it just feels like one of those shoes that you just wear casually, like just to go run errands or go to the grocery store or, you know, go, you know, just somewhere quick. You know what I mean? Just throw these on and let's go. So, but yeah, nonetheless, I mean, if you guys want to on foot review on these, let me know on the comments below. I haven't done one yet, but I really want you know, input, or if you guys have any questions really as to, you know, how it feels on foot and this and stuff like that, then I'll make a video on that and then I'll tell you guys. Instead of just telling you guys, I'll show you guys. That's best way to put it. But let me know in the comments. These are pretty fresh, I'm not gonna lie. The colorway is nice. It feels good, so we'll see how it feels on foot. Let me know again on the comments below. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video if you like it. Putting these back in the box. This has been the unboxing review on these Jordan Air Cadence Smoke Grays, they call it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.